also. So I'm going to go in, I'm going to get rid of and show you a little bit more in behind the scenes on my blog. Okay, so I'm going to go into my post area. Now again, my posts, it's kind of like the journal entry area of my blog. That's that center space as you land on my home page, that where my latest blog posts are. They're basically journal entries, messages. Okay, so this is the one from today. This one was the last one I did. So I have these homepage excerpts. What I like is the link within shows up that are related blog posts. It keeps people surfing and moving on my blog based on the pictures. If you notice, the pictures are different, and it's based on the categories or the tags that I connect to this blog post. So it's finding related things within my blog. Okay. So these are all posts. These are all pages up here. And then on my blog's style, my categories are over here. A lot of people, you'll see up on their top bar, they have a list of words here, and they have a list of words up top. Well, one line of words are their static set pages, and another line of words are their categories. Categories are what you wanted to start brainstorming for yourself. You want to decide, what kinds of things am I going to be writing about? Let's see, passed them up. So I tend to write about blogging and fitness and maybe some things that are personal to me. Personal growth, social bookmarking, spiritual growth, mindset. Maybe yours is about tennis and weight training and nutrition, or boy, it's endless. You need to figure out what you're passionate about, what your niche is going to be about, and then that's going to be some of the categories that your blog posts are going to fit under. And I'm going to show you what that looks like. So in here, you'll notice, okay, this is the title. Obviously, I'm the author. You can actually have guest authors on your blog too. There's ways to configure that and different login information for other people. My categories that I put this latest blog post was internet, myself, and mindset. And then the tags were empowerment, family, home business, personal growth, and relationships. And how that works is when you're creating a new blog post, actually I don't want to edit, sorry, add new. It's going to be very plain and basic, looking like this. You're going to type your name of your title right here. So I'm going to say Tribe Tuesday. It is awesome. Okay, I'm going after the keywords Tribe Tuesday. Now, if I really want to get specific for Twitter, then I'm going to use the hashtag Tribe Tuesday. Some of you may not know what that is, but you will eventually. So if I'm going for search engine rankings and I want to get this post in the search engine, or if people Google Tribe Tuesday with the hashtag looking, then maybe my post will show up high, depending on the amount of traffic or the relevancy, a number of things that Google does. So then I'm just gonna, you type in some information, yada yada yada, goes down, and I tend to work in the HTML side. There's two sides here. There's the visual side, which, if you notice, I have a lot of other little features in here. That's from Tiny MCE Advanced plugin, which adds a Microsoft Word type looking functionality to your post area. You can take your Microsoft Word. So say you do your blog post in Microsoft Word, your rough draft or your final draft, you've edited it. You just paste it in here from Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word has a lot of hidden script and things that websites don't like. So if you copy and paste directly in, a lot of times you get weird spacing, you'll get weird other stuff. I've heard it's recommended to use WordPad or TextPad, or just the simple text place to type in your information that doesn't have all that hidden stuff. But this cleans it up for you, and then you can paste it in. I think this is plain text. Also, you could paste it in from plain text. But in here, it allows you to do your bold, your numbers, your bullet points, change your font size. It really makes it easy once you have that plugin installed. Different formatting, okay. I tend to work in the HTML side. If you, for some reason, run into glitches where you have a space that's supposed to be in between your paragraphs, and when you publish it over here and you go to view it, you have all your paragraphs smooshed together. Well, you might have the same problem that I did. You have to learn some basic HTML. So I think that's open tag, BR for break, and then close tag. That will give you a page break or a paragraph break or space in between your paragraphs. Okay, so that's a basic thing. The other, some of the information you need here is many times your blogs are going to show up with weird numbers here. You need to go in and configure permalinks. Permalinks allow for you to have, look, here's my title that's in the URL. Again, with Google and the search engine, you want to have relevant keywords in the title. If you don't configure your permalink, you get numbers, and Google isn't going to really pay any attention to that. So you have to come down and find permalinks. I probably pass it up. Okay, it's /% post name %/. You want it in this custom structure and just save your changes. That will be enough. If you don't do that, it's going to be on this default setting, and it's going to be this $P = 1 2 3, just numbers. This is what you want. So let me go